Calling in the matter of Jane versus Bob, case number CAD 1621936. Parties, please identify yourself for the record.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Samuel Stevenson on behalf of the plaintiff, Mary Jane, who's present and standing to my right.
Good afternoon.
Your Honor, William Busher on behalf of the defendant, Billy Bob, standing to my left.
Good afternoon. Counselors, this matter is set for trial on the issue of child support and child custody. What is the status of this case?
Your Honor, the parties have reached an agreement on all matters, custody and child support in this case.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Would you like to put it on the record for us?
I'd be happy to put it on the record. Your Honor, the parties have reached an agreement as to custody and child support. The parties are in agreement that they shall share joint legal and physical custody of the minor children, Billy Bob and Mary Lou. And the defendant shall pay to the plaintiff child support consistent with the Maryland child support guidelines in the amount of $50 a month to begin on the first of the month. And the arrears will be assessed at $0.
Okay.
Are there any other points?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Would you like to go ahead with the voir dire?
Sure. Good afternoon, Mary Jane. How are you?
Good afternoon. I'm good.
Can you please tell the court what's the highest level of education you've completed?
I graduated from high school.
And can you read and write the English language?
Yes.
A few moments ago, you heard me place on the record an agreement between you and the defendant. Did you understand all of the parts of that agreement?
Yes.
Okay. And was that, in fact, the agreement that you believe you reached with the defendant?
Yes.
Okay. And do you believe that that agreement is in the best interest of your minor children?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, coerce, or induce you to enter into this agreement today?
No.
And did anybody make you any promises to get you to enter into this agreement today?
No.
Are you under the influence of any drugs, alcohol, or any other substances that might impair your ability to understand the proceedings here today?
No.
Have I answered all of your questions with regards to your case and the proceedings that have gone on today?
Yes.
And are you happy with my services?
Yes.
No further questions.
Okay. Thank you. Counsel, would you like to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Billy Bob, are you able to read and write the English language?
Yes.
A few moments ago, you heard me read the agreement that you and plaintiff reached into the record. Did you understand that agreement?
Yes.
Was the agreement as it read, in fact, the agreement that you reached with the plaintiff?
Yes.
Are you asking that the court bind you to all terms of this agreement?
Yes.
Do you believe that this agreement is in the best interest of your minor children?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, coerce, or otherwise force you to enter into this agreement today?
No.
Did anyone make any promises to get you to enter into this agreement?
No.
Are you under the influence of any alcohol, drugs, or any other substances which might impair your ability to understand what's going on here today?
No.
Have I answered all your questions related to your case, this agreement, and the proceedings today?
You have.
Are you satisfied with my services?
I am.
Okay. Thank you. The court accepts the agreement of the parties. Plaintiff's counsel shall prepare an order and submit it to chambers within 10 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very much.